Right, let's start to put the rest of the parts of the movement together. Start off with the strike side mainspring. Drop that in there. Then we have to turn it over. We've got to put this piece in there to hold it in, and then we screw that down. With a screwdriver, we'll finish that off. That'll now hold that mainspring in place. Right, we'll do the same with the strike side train. I'll get the pieces out, one of those screws, that's done. We'll put that in our starting screwdriver. Push it down to hold it in place. There's a nut on it. Take up the barrel spring, fit it into the back plate. Slipped out, put it back in again. Goes there, that's got him. Push it all the way through. Lift it up so we can put this clamp on that holds it in place. Insert the screw, twist it around a bit, remove that, and then tighten down the screw with a normal screwdriver. Right, they're in place. Up the other way. No, it isn't. Over the top. Goes that way. Now, we need a screw to tie that down. Put it into our screwdriver. Then insert the screw. Turn it around a few times. Take it out. Then we can tighten it down properly. There we go. Now we'll do the strike side. Put the ratchet on. And that one, the screw goes up that side. Got him aligned. Get a screw. Put it in the hole, tighten it down a bit. Now tighten the screw down with a normal screwdriver. Right, and that's the clicks. The clicks and the ratchet's done. Right, that hole's out. Now we'll put the click springs on. Going side first. It's there. The screw into it. Turn it around a couple of times. Remove it. Use a regular screwdriver and tighten the screw down. Right, now for the strike side, same thing again. Out, get the screw out. Into the screwdriver. And goes around the other way. From there to there. Line the hole. Start the screw off in it. There we go, it's finally got him. Now I'll tighten it down with a normal screwdriver. Okay, that's got the clicks and the click springs in. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.